welcome back to my channel. It's VELOUR Bunny here, if you know me already. If you don't, please subscribe so you won't miss my next video. And today I want to talk to you about my jewelry that I love, adore, and I feel it was absolutely worth the splurge. And every minute of thinking about it, buy it or not buy it, ask about it, send a hint to my husband or not, you know, do I wear it, how I wear it, and all other stuff. I want to clarify the fact that the purpose of this video is not to show off, look what I have and you don't, or I have better than yours or something like that. It's just like something that I was looking for on the internet before buying or thinking about these pieces. I thought there was like a very lack of the content to see these pieces on a person closely, because sometimes they've been like very advertised in a very aesthetic, artsy way, and you can't really see them in life, you know, like in action and or close-ups and, you know, pros and cons and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the purpose. Again, all of it was gifted to me, I mean gifted by my loved ones. None of it is sponsored, none of it was PR, obviously. So yeah, let's dive into the jewelry that I wear every day and love and feel like it wasn't a mistake of my entire life spending this money. So little backstory. Back in Ukraine, like 10 years ago, I started following a channel or account on a Pinterest. Back like 10 years ago, the Pinterest was a thing, started being a thing in Ukraine, and things like Hermes, Tiffany or Cartier, it was something like fly to the moon and never come back. You know, it was absolutely impossible to dream about it. I was like a regular girl living in a regular awesome city called Odessa, and I liked to think, I went thrift shopping, but again, it never stopped me dreaming about beautiful jewelry and stuff. So I was saving a lot of pictures and thinking like, wow, I guess that would be awesome to have it one day. Things that you're gonna see here, I wanted them long before I started seeing them on Instagram and stuff like that. But then I saw it again and again and again, and for some reason, because I saw it on so many people, it never stopped me to want it, you know? And I think it's nothing bad about the fact that someone already got it and blah 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 blah. If the main reason that you're getting this piece is because you love it and you see something in it, then you should splurge. Because, you know, we only live once, and if a piece of jewelry makes you happy or brighten up your day when you put it on, I don't know, I don't see nothing wrong with it, seriously. Number one piece that I really wanted, it was Hermes H bracelet. I really wanted it for probably like 3-4 years. I was thinking about it, and I got it for Christmas for my husband, and it looks like this. It is the thick one. I believe they have 3 sizes. One is like thinner, this one is medium, and there's like a large one that looks like a cuff or something like that. This one looks as a cuff as well, but this is a medium size and I really like it. I wear it mostly at summertime and it is very beautiful. I love it as like a single statement piece when it's absolutely everything is minimalistic and monochromatic, and I barely have jewelry here and there, but this is like a statement piece. So number one thing that gave me a heart attack every time I saw it, it's that it gets scratches so easily. Gosh, I was so happy first few days and I was just like shaking my hands. It got really messy, so I scratched it somewhere, just a little bit. But other than that, it still looks beautiful, and I know that you can totally go and polish it. I just didn't do that yet. But I love this one particularly because it was my first high-end jewelry piece, and I wanted it. I didn't, you know, decided on the spot, oh my gosh, what should I get from Hermes? I don't know, just wanted this particular thing for so many years. I'm just so happy to have it. So yeah, this one I never regret. Oh, and shortly after that, after tasting Hermes in my life, next year I started browsing what else can I get myself from Hermes. I probably sound so I don't know, stupid. I don't know, I just love pretty things. I just love jewelry, what can I say? Gosh, I don't know, I feel so intimidated right now. But seriously, I literally went on the website and I just looked like, what else can I want from Hermes, you know? And I found those gorgeous earrings and I wanted them from the first second. So the part of these earrings is currently on me, this like little thick hoops. But the most amazing part about it, that it could be 3 types of earrings, you know? It comes in this like box, and there was a hoops here where the missing empty boxes here, and then there's like a little locks with the H over here. I'm gonna insert close up so you're gonna see. So yeah, it comes with the golden locks and then black and the brown leather locks over here. So you can add these locks into your hoops and elevate your look in something more special. Or you can add these locks and then these leather pieces behind, and it's gonna look even more sophisticated. So I was so excited that this is actually was my pitch line to my husband, that for the price of 1 earrings you get 3 pair of earrings. And I think this is how I got it, and I was so happy, and this was my another Christmas present. The next beautiful thing I want to talk to you about is this Tiffany ring. It is a very thick silver ring. I was on the lookout for a perfect, you know, statement, but not too big ring on my finger, look at that, but just like something on the thicker side. And I was very, very into silver jewelry, but I was never afraid because I like, you know, make a combination with something silver and like next to it like golden ring. So I knew I'm gonna get use out of it because this is really my style, like the thick ring. Even right now I love it so much. It does get scratches as well, but anything that you buy in Tiffany, you can go and give it to them and they're gonna polish it for you, and it's gonna be shiny like new. I think it's very clean, minimalistic, and very, you know, like timeless ring. That's what I always look in my jewelry. And the next guest is a Cartier love ring. I have not the regular love ring, I have a wedding band. And the reason to it, because I think that regular love ring is too thick and I don't really like it. So I really like this wedding band. I don't know, I think it's very pretty, beautiful. I got it for anniversary with my husband, and it has a very special cute engravement inside. Wear it every day. I even have like a tan line from this ring because it is very beautiful. Again, I just always wanted it. I love the backstory of it, I love how it looks, I think it's absolutely timeless. And I can always, you know, I look at it and I think about us and I love it. And what can I say? I just love this ring. I love this ring. I know there's like so many people right now wearing Cartier and it's like not even interesting anymore. But again, it's not about being like, you know, interesting or relatable. If it makes you happy, if you like it, if it suits your lifestyle and you feel you're gonna get use out of it, mentally, physically, and style-wise, just keep dreaming and wanting it, you know, and working for it or whatever, how you plan to get it, but still. Getting back to bracelets, I love this bracelet from Tiffany. This is their like T collection, like the letter T, and I love it so much. I wear it every day. It twists like this, and first I was very scared to put it on my hand because I thought I'm gonna break it or something like that, because it's very, very soft, and sometimes I would get into my sweater or something like that and I would twist it literally like this, and I would be terrified that I already screwed it up. I just got it and I broke it. After the Hermes bracelet, I still wanted to have a bracelet that I could wear every day, literally every day, just as something that's gonna make, you know, make my hands prettier, and I'm just gonna feel prettier or something like that. So I keep wanting it, and then first I got this little necklace, this chain T from Tiffany as well. I got it for Valentine's Day and I was so excited. I think it's very simple and elegant, and again, I wear it every day. I literally put it 2 years ago on the Valentine's Day and I never took it off. It looks absolutely beautiful and I love it so much. And after that, when I saw that necklace, I started discovering and looking at the other things that they have from this collection, and I saw this bracelet and I thought it's perfect. I love how lightweight is this, and you know, doesn't make huge sound when you hit the table accidentally at the restaurant or something like that. And again, it's just something very simple but very elegant and beautiful, and I enjoy wearing every day. Again, it might get some scratches, but I always get it to the store and they polish it for me and it's like brand new. And I highly recommend this one. I think it's like a very basic, everyday, good piece of gold jewelry. The next thing I wanted for so long, it was always on my list, and this is a tennis bracelet. I am in love with this tennis bracelet. Guys, it's not diamonds. Gosh, it is so expensive. I just at some my hormonal evening, I decided to go to Google and type bracelet, tennis bracelet with diamonds. It's like I can get a car from CarMax, and it's very expensive. This bracelet is from Swarovski, and I am absolutely in love. And what I love to do the most is to mix it together with this Tiffany bracelet that I have. And they both complement each other so much. Just give me a second. Look so beautiful next to each other. They look gorgeous separately, but together, if I want to do something like extra and a little bit more shiny, especially like in the evening, it looks so pretty. I highly recommend Swarovski. I actually never went to that store before that bracelet, but I was absolutely amused. That's why I got myself this beautiful studs, earrings. I wanted to have something simple in exchange, you know, to these hoops, because I wear them mostly all the time, and sometimes I want to switch and have something as simple as it is but different, and I think just the regular studs are amazing. Okay, and the last but not least is this watch from Gucci. What I love the most about it, that it is a combinational metals. It's the gold and the silver together, so you can pair it with any jewelry. This was my main idea and goal, for it not to be just silver or just gold. So it's not gonna look like a statement, you know, so you can pair it with other jewelry. And you know, from years to years, from time to time, you change your opinion. I used to be into the silver jewelry, now I like golden jewelry. So especially pieces like this, like big expensive things, I like having in combination. So this is a Gucci watch. I got it not from the Gucci store, I got it like from a jewelry store, and it was an outlet, and I think it's like the most perfect place to look for awesome watch. I don't know, for me, because I get to try it and see, and you get warranty and everything. But I love it so much. I get so much compliments on this watch, and there wasn't a day that I would regret about having them. I like that I can put next to it my bracelet, and it looks pretty as well, you know, together. Or I can always like put it with this tennis bracelet as well. So yeah, I love that everything that I own, I can pair together and get as much use and fun out of it. So this is the most exciting part, right? So yes, that's it guys. This is jewelry that I have and I love, and I absolutely enjoy it every time. And I think it's totally worth the splurge, worth dreaming, worth asking, and I love it. And I hope you liked this video and it was interesting for you, and you found some information, some info for yourself. Maybe you're thinking about splurging or dreaming about it or asking it for some holiday, and now you can see closely how it looks like, what it looks like. And if you did like this video, that's very awesome. I enjoy filming those for you, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next one.